How to put Japanese letters on Roblox display name. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to add Japanese text on your Roblox username. So without further ado, let us begin. So it is quite simple. So what you want to do is just log into your Roblox account, and then after that what you want to do is just go to your settings right here. So just click on this gear icon and then just click on settings, and then after that you'll be redirected here in your account info. So from here, what you want to do is just go to your display name right here and then just click on this pencil icon right here to edit your display name. So just click on that, and then from here you can now start editing your display name. So what you want to do now is just go on Google and then just search up for English to Japanese Google Translate. Then after that, what you want to do is just input the text that you want translated into Japanese. So as an example, I'll just type in hello. And then after that, what you want to do is to just copy the Japanese text, Control C, go back to Roblox, and then just paste in the Japanese text. So as you can see over here, I can save it. But a thing you can't do is add Japanese text and English text at the same time in your Roblox display name. So when I add English letters to my Japanese display name right here, I'll add just random letters. As you can see, it says right here, display name contains unsupported characters. So what you need to do is to just only use the Japanese text if you want Japanese text in your Roblox username. But if you just want English text, just remove this and then just add the English text to your Roblox username. So yeah, so once you're done, just click on save and then it will be saved as your Roblox display name. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to put Japanese letters on Roblox display name. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. That's all.